In this video, I'll show you how to create a form in Airtable. First, sign into your Airtable account and open the base where you want to collect information. Choose the table that will store the form responses, since every submission will create a new record in that table. Next, click Forms from the top of your base or create a new form from the available views. Then select Create Form. Airtable will automatically generate a form using the fields from your selected table. After that, customize the form by adding or removing fields, rearranging their order, and marking important fields as required. You can also edit the form title, description, and confirmation message so respondents know exactly what information to provide and what happens after they submit the form. Now, click Preview to test the form before sharing it. Fill out a sample submission and confirm that the information is added correctly to your Airtable table. If everything looks good, click Publish or Share Form. Then copy the link to send it to your team, customers, or anyone who needs to submit information. Finally, monitor your table as responses come in. Every new submission will automatically appear as a new record, making it easy to organize, review, and manage all of the information in one place. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a form in Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.